Hey everyone, Technomentary here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix app freezing or crashing after iOS 26 update. So let's get started. Now, if it's happening, first thing you can try to do is pull up all the apps that are opening. If it's a frozen one, you can try to see if you can close it out like this. Sometimes this will work, sometimes not, might not, especially if it's freezing on you or if your screen is frozen. You're going to basically follow this step here. You're going to quickly press and release volume up, volume down, and then hold down the side button until the screen goes completely black and the Apple logo appears. So I'll do volume up, volume down, and then hold on to this side button. Again, the key thing here is to quickly press and release volume up followed by volume down before holding down that side button until the screen goes completely black. And we're going to wait for the Apple logo to appear and we let go of that side button. What we have essentially done is a forced restart, which basically forces the phone software to completely shut down and then reload the code. Quick way to fix any issues that you may be experiencing, especially frozen apps. Now, after you have done that, now a couple other things you want to do to prevent this from happening. First thing it's going to go ahead and open up the App Store and then hit continue here. And we need to see if there's updates for the app because we updated the iOS. We need to update those apps as well for compatibility. So in your profile here, you're going to click on top of your profile. And then we're going to see basically update all. So we can update individually, but we're going to click on all. This way the app are also compatible with the correct version, with the latest version of iOS. So it's going to go ahead and update all the app for you if it's not already updated. So that'll take a couple minutes depending on how many apps you have. So let them update on its own. Moving on to the next thing you want to also verify is in your setting. You're going to go to General, iPhone Storage. We want to make sure that we have somewhat available storage for our device so that it doesn't freeze, because apps, when they open, they require a specific amount of storage availability. So you'll see here how much storage you have available. For example, here I have 229 GB. So if you're down to the last couple GB, you want to delete some apps or photos, videos to at least have 10 to 15 gigs available. Usually helps to make sure your phone runs smooth. Now, if you're still having issues, the next thing you want to go ahead and do is, if you're using any customization, so you're going to long press and hold any app, click on Edit Home Screen, click on Edit, and then click on Customize. You want to go back to the default one. Sometimes a clear one might be causing issues with the app because it's not updated correctly or the app hasn't developed it to use that feature. So just go back to the default and go ahead and try. Now, if you're still having the issue, the next thing you're going to want to do is go into your setting. From the main setting here, you're going to go to General, scroll all the way down to Transfer Reset iPhone, click on Reset, and essentially you're going to reset all settings. If you click on Reset All Settings, it will only reset all the settings. It will not delete any of your data. Again, an important step to do if you're still facing app freezing on your phone. And lastly, one thing you can do is, since iOS 26 is new, in the coming weeks we're going to see a new update, usually for bug fixes. You can look for this in the settings, in General, Software Update, and wait for the next update, which could be within the next couple weeks. And if it's one app that's causing the issue, it might be fixed on the next following update. So those are different ways to fix app freezing after iOS 26. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. See you guys next time.